Yeah, I thought it looked wicked. It was a bit different to what I've seen Reading kits like before, but it was something I think that once I got it on, it looks amazing really, and it's a great concept behind it too.
Obviously it's the traditional blue and white hoops, which is lovely, but I think what makes it even more special is that we're supporting a really good cause here at Reading. And I think that it needs to be challenged and promoted throughout the world, and I think especially younger generations coming up to see that we're promoting it hopefully inspires them to make good choices.
I've always been proud of where I come from, and yeah, if we can be greener as a town, as both a club and a university, I think that's great, and it shows to everyone else that we're doing our part, and yeah, it's something that we can all get behind and be proud of, yeah.